Here we got a 1969 VW bus, it's a camper version. It's got the pop out top. These are the ones you wanted, man. Talk about going anywhere, doing anything.
This is really cute.
A lot of room in here, man. And once you get going on the highway, they got loads of heat. But you know, with all the, I really don't understand. I know why they stopped making the air-cooled motors because of the emission stuff, but they're really, how much, you know, it's a small motor. I mean, how much is it really putting out, really, right? Maybe parts, you know what I mean? Talking a cubic inch size, it's putting out so much emissions for its size, right? Maybe percentage-wise, it's putting out a lot, but it's a small motor. There's a lot of room in these things. You got your sink, your I don't know if you got a portable toilet, you got a refrigerator in here. Pop up top, you can stand up in here, you got a lot of ventilation. That's really what you need that top up top for, is a ventilation. Not so much the damn standing up part. But that could help too. I mean, if you're getting up off of that chair and smack your head, but it's mainly that ventilation. A lot of storage room in here. Of course, you got the vents. I mean, you can leave, you know, you can leave that top open as long as the rain's not crazy hard. You won't be getting water inside. You know. You got the side vents. Leave that open. You're not going to get rain inside. So I'm telling you, this is, I don't know. This is cool because, you know, look how much money this thing could save you on freaking hotel bills and stuff. And plus, you can go anywhere. You can get away from the idiots, you know. And these things will go pretty good in crappy terrain. Got the right tires on it and stuff. Because all the weight's in the back. Pretty damn good, man. It's nice. Really love this thing.